In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code with Cursor, complete setup, and first commands. We'll start by installing the Claude Code command line tool. Open your system terminal, not Cursor yet, and run the command npm install g@anthropic AI/Claude Code. This installs the CLI globally so you can use it from any project. When it finishes, verify the install by typing Claude version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Next, set your Claude API key so the CLI can talk to the service. In the same terminal, run export Anthropic API key, your API key here. Replace the placeholder with your real key and keep it private. That sets the key for the current session. To make it permanent, append it to your shell config with echo export Anthropic API key, your API key here. It's .bashrc, then reload with source .bashr. If you use a different shell, update the appropriate config file. Never share your key in code, screenshots, or repos. Now open Cursor. The editor will pair with Claude Code. Launch Cursor and open the project folder you want to work in. This ensures any files Claude creates or edits live right inside your project. Open a terminal inside Cursor so Claude works within the editor context. You can press Ctrl and the backtick key to toggle the terminal or use the menu. Terminal, then New Terminal. In that embedded terminal, simply type Claude. When it starts, you're officially running Claude Code inside Cursor. From here, use Claude Code just like a smart pair programmer. To create a file, type /new main.py. To ask for code in natural language, just write something like build a REST API for a to-do app. To run code, use /run main.py. If you want to change the model, type /model Claude Opus 45. And to explore built-in agents, use /agents. Each of these commands keeps your work inside the same project folder you opened in Cursor. Let Cursor handle the editing experience. Claude will propose changes, Cursor will show you diffs, and you can review and approve them. Your usual Git workflow remains intact, so commits, branches, and pull requests work exactly as before. Think of Cursor as the editor and Claude Code as the brain, collaborating in one place. Quick recap: install the CLI, set your API key, open Cursor and your project.